Are you an international with a financial economic background working at an accountancy firm in the Netherlands? And would you like to develop your skills? Then our English-taught Chartered Accountancy program is the perfect choice for you. Nyenrode offers everything you need to become a chartered accountant. From pre-master, master to postmasters, all in English, part-time and mostly on Fridays, so easy to combine with work. Building your career while you study. You start with the pre-master, followed by the master phase. After completing this program, you may use the title Master of Science in Accountancy. The final phase is the specialized postmaster. After finishing your postmaster and your simultaneous 3-year practical training, you are officially a chartered accountant, ready to take the next step in your career. All phases are completely busy season proof and structured in a way that makes it easy to combine your work with your studies. Class sizes are small and your classmates will be from different cultural backgrounds. Our highly interactive setting allows you to really get to know your fellow students and learn from each other. Lectures are mostly taught by professors from the field, so the content is relevant and up to date. Your academic knowledge is put into practice as you directly apply it to your work and vice versa. Today's world requires accountants with valuable knowledge, strong principles, and excellent social skills. At Nyenrode, we do not only offer specialist knowledge, we also provide an environment that stimulates your personal growth. Sounds good? Then take the next step in your career and gain valuable knowledge in becoming a successful chartered accountant.